Welcome to today's edition of the show podcast.
Saying rival SAP had entirely missed the boat on the ERP market, Oracle Chief Technology Officer Larry Ellison spent much of the company's earnings call Wednesday promoting Oracle's success in poaching customers from SAP. On the call, Ellison spent more than 10 minutes reading from a list of enterprise resource planning ERP customers he alleges Oracle won over from SAP. Some of the companies, including Western Digital and security company G4S, have moved entire operations to Oracle's Fusion ERP suite, Ellison said on the call. Other companies, including car manufacturer Honda and delivery company DHL, have adopted some Oracle tools, not yet moving over to the full Fusion ERP suite. But Ellison sees them as future Oracle wins. The vast majority of these companies that started this journey will finish this journey, he said. SAP declined to comment on Ellison's remarks. However, in a January quarterly earnings call, SAP CEO Christian Klein said, "In the ERP space alone, we have more than 200 wins against Oracle," according to a call transcript. In the third fiscal quarter, ended February 28, Oracle signed contracts totaling hundreds of millions of dollars to migrate large users from SAP's ERP product offerings to Oracle Fusion ERP. In one example, Oracle beat SAP and Infor for a contract with Denver Public Schools to replace an Infor Lawson system. As Ellison sees it, the wins come from the Austin, Texas-based tech giant rewriting its ERP products for the cloud. SAP, he said, has entirely missed the boat. SAP is more responsible for our leadership position than we are, Ellison said. Other highlights from the call include Ellison hyping growth in the company's database business starting in the next fiscal year. Fueling part of that growth is Autonomous Database, which Ellison called not just a cost saver but a technological benefit for avoiding human errors and human security threats. CRN named Oracle Autonomous Database among its 2020 products of the year. "We expect it to really explode," he said. For the quarter ending February 28, Oracle saw revenue from its Gen 2 cloud infrastructure business, which includes Autonomous Database, more than doubled. Fusion Cloud ERP revenue grew 30% in the third fiscal quarter. NetSuite Cloud ERP revenue grew 24%. In Oracle's previous earnings call, the company reported Oracle's Fusion ERP grew 33% year-over-year to more than 7,500 customers, while NetSuite grew 21% to more than 24,000 customers. Total quarterly revenues grew 3% year-over-year to $1 billion. Cloud services and license support revenues grew 5% year-over-year to $3 billion. This business unit accounts for 72% of Oracle's revenue. Cloud license and on-premises license revenues grew 4% to $3 billion. This business unit accounts for 13% of Oracle's revenues. In January, SAP launched a new collection of services and software, offered as a single subscription product called Rise with SAP, designed to assist customers